This is Mia with WTI.
If you're looking for a comfy, cozy onesie that also happens to be a chicken, well, then I think this onesie's perfect for you. I love this onesie because it is so comfy and so cozy, and the best part, it comes with pockets! This onesie is not at all restrictive, so you can do a variety of things in it. You know, play your instrument, get some cooking done, I don't know, get a workout in. Or maybe you personally can figure out why exactly the chicken crossed the road. Let me just say, I love how this onesie fits. Again, it is so comfortable. And while you can get a lot accomplished while wearing it, this onesie is also perfect for just lounging around, maybe cuddling with your dog, eating some snacks, or, just being lazy. I love this onesie also for the details on it, like its beak, its comb, the little yellow details, and look at this little tail. So why not get one for yourself?
And that's my point of view.